Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best nipple pads is probably one of the most essential items for breastfeeding mothers, offering comfort and protection. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nipple pads, exploring different types, materials, and features to help you find the perfect ones. Whether you're a new mom or a seasoned pro, join me as we uncover the best options to soothe and protect your nipples during breastfeeding. Number 5. Lansinoh Breast Therapy Packs, Hot and Cold Relief. In the early days of breastfeeding, this can be used as an ice pack. It provides relief from swelling and pain. This will help you feel more comfortable. Use this as a heating pad to find relief. It can help with clogged ducts and mastitis. This also encourages milk letdown during breastfeeding. Use the heat setting to encourage milk letdown. This can also reduce the time you spend pumping. It's a great aid for breastfeeding mothers. This provides relief for common breastfeeding issues. It is designed to help with nipple pain and other discomforts. This will make your breastfeeding journey easier. These soft, flexible pads are designed for comfort. They conform to your breast for 360-degree relief, time and again. It's a reusable solution for your needs. This product is recommended by lactation consultants. It is latex and lead-free, BPA BPS-free, and microwave-safe. You can use it with confidence. What we like. This product offers both hot and cold therapy, providing versatile relief. It's also reusable, making it a cost-effective choice. If you're experiencing engorgement, clogged ducts, or simply need help with milk letdown, this is a great option for you. What people say. The pads are super soft and absorbent. They are very comfortable to wear. The design is great and they fit well in my nursing bra. Number 4. Medela Hydrogel Pads, Instant Pain Relief. Are you experiencing discomfort from breastfeeding or pumping? These pads provide immediate relief. They create a cooling, moist environment to soothe inflamed skin. The hydrogel pads promote faster healing. They encourage the growth of new skin tissue, helping you feel better sooner. These pads act as a barrier against rubbing. This helps prevent further skin damage, allowing for comfortable healing and pain relief. The film layer keeps the area clean and protected. It reduces the risk of bacterial contamination, ensuring a safe healing environment. These pads are dermatologically tested, preservative-free, and sterile. They can be easily applied and reapplied for up to 24 hours. They are designed to support you. Each pack contains 4 individually wrapped pads. It's a convenient solution for breastfeeding mothers seeking comfort and healing. What we like. These pads provide instant pain relief and create a moist environment for faster healing. They also act as a protective barrier. If you're struggling with cracked or sore nipples and want a sterile, easy-to-use solution, you should consider this. What people say. They're cool, soothing, and help my skin heal so much faster while also protecting from friction between feeds. Within 1 day of use, my nipple was much happier. I realized that these gel pads protect my nipples from rubbing against clothing and they keep the nipple moist and allow the nipple to heal more quickly. Number 3. Ameda ComfortGel Hydrogel Nursing Pads. These Ameda ComfortGel nipple pads are reusable. You can rinse and reuse them for up to 6 days. This makes them a convenient and cost-effective choice for breastfeeding mothers. These hydrogel nursing pads offer cool, soothing relief. They are designed to ease the discomfort caused by breastfeeding and pumping. The pads provide instant comfort. The cooling breast pads create a moist environment. This is recommended by hospitals for postpartum care. They help to promote healing and provide optimal care. The pads fit discreetly inside most nursing bras. They offer extra cushioning and protection. You can wear them comfortably without anyone noticing. The ComfortGel nipple pads provide instant cooling relief. They alleviate irritation and pain from pumping or breastfeeding. They enhance your comfort. What we like. This product is reusable for up to 6 days, offering great value. It provides cooling and soothing relief, and its discreet design fits comfortably in your bra. If you're looking for a reusable option that's easy to use and provides lasting comfort, this is the one for you. What people say. They are comfortable and easy to stick wear. They also work constantly to speed healing, instead of having to apply cream 5 times a day. They are very convenient, en masse, and very effective for soothing and aiding in healing sore nipples. Number 2. Frida Mom Breastfeeding Essentials Kit. This kit is designed to support your breastfeeding journey. It includes tools to increase milk production and soothe any discomfort you may experience. It's an essential set for new moms. The kit includes several items to help with nursing. You'll find therapeutic breast warmers, a lactation massager, and hydrating breast masks. These are designed to boost milk flow and ease discomfort. These accessories help establish a successful milk supply. Whether you're breastfeeding directly or pumping, this kit can help with letdown and production. It's perfect for any new mother. Use the lactation massager and heat therapy before feeding or pumping. This will stimulate milk ducts and improve milk output. It can also help prevent mastitis and engorgement. This kit is a great addition to your baby registry. It's also a thoughtful gift for expecting or new moms. It's a must-have for any breastfeeding mother. What we like. This kit offers complete lactation support with a massager and breast masks. It's designed to boost milk flow and relieve discomfort. If you're a new mom looking for a comprehensive kit to help with milk supply and overall breastfeeding comfort, you should consider this. What people say. The pads are super soft and absorbent. These are great for sensitive nipples. They are very comfortable and discreet. Number 1. USDA Organic Nipple Butter. Are you experiencing sore, cracked skin while breastfeeding? This product is designed to provide instant relief. It is made with organic ingredients to soothe and comfort. Created by a mom in the USA, this product is clinically proven and pediatrician recommended. It's made with sustainably sourced, organic ingredients and is third-party tested for safety and quality. You can enjoy breastfeeding again without discomfort. This nipple butter comforts sore, cracked, and sensitive skin on contact. With continued use, it helps the skin look and feel softer. This allows you to breastfeed with confidence. This food-grade, lanolin-free nipple butter is worry-free for both mom and baby. It's made with only clean, organic, food-grade ingredients. You don't need to wipe it off before breastfeeding. It contains a blend of chamomile, apricot oil, evening primrose, and calendula. These ingredients deliver vitamins and essential fatty acids to nourish delicate, sensitive skin. This product is non-greasy, fast-absorbing, and won't stain clothes. It's also versatile and can be used on lips, cuticles, and other dry patches. It is your go-to nutriment for nursing and daily life. What we like. This product is lanolin-free and made with food-grade ingredients, ensuring safety for both you and your baby. It doesn't require wiping off before nursing. If you like a natural, safe, and convenient solution for sore nipples, you should consider this. What people say. Absorbency is great. These are soft and comfortable. They are very absorbent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.